Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm not doing a actually formal intro. I am so sorry. The one that I did, I actually deleted it by accident, so I'm really sorry. But anyways, I'm not gonna actually try to explain what I did because you can actually see what I'm doing. But all the makeup products that I use, I'm gonna be down in the description. I'm gonna be down listed in the description below, so you guys can go check it out if you guys are interested to know what products that I use. I also want to shout out Kate's Beauty Station because I actually recreated her look. As you can see, I was really inspired by her look, and I felt like it was really easy. So I was like, you know what, I should try it. So here I am, and yeah. So shout out to her. I'm sorry guys, I feel like I'm not letting you enjoy this video, but subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and okay, I'll let you go watch it now. So this is the look. I hope you guys like it, because right now I'm so obsessed. Like, you have no idea, especially with this contact, the lip, everything, the wig. I don't know. I love it. I love it, and it's sad because I'm about to take it off. Like in a few hours. It's literally probably 8 o'clock. And I started doing this like around 5 because I got out of school, and I came here and I bought the contacts and these lashes to make it a little dramatic. And I have no idea what time I started filming, but I just know that it's late for me to be wearing makeup, especially cyber makeup. I'm not going nowhere. I wish I had a party or something like that. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos. Also follow me on my social medias. They're gonna be down in the description below or right here. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and like it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys. You'll see me on my next